Suitable compression media for air compressors include air, various hydrocarbon gases such as natural gas, petroleum gas, coke oven gas, ethylene, propylene, propane, etc. Inert gases such as hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, argon, neon, helium, etc. and active gases such as chlorine, hydrogen chloride, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, etc. Because air is compressible, clear and transparent, easy to transport, non-condensing, harmless, safe, and inexhaustible, air is the most commonly used compression medium.
For more information, please click our official website and IG.